उड़ू ऊंचा।
This is a pretty rainbow. Rainbow has many colors. A rainbow is formed when there is very little rain. When sunlight passes through the raindrops, we can see a rainbow. But you know what? You cannot touch the rainbow, just like you cannot touch the light. You can see red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet in a rainbow. Rainbow. Today we are going to learn the sound of the letter R. Say it with me. R. 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 The rabbit is enjoying the rain and eating the juicy radish. Rabbits are very playful, friendly, and loving, just like cats and dogs. Rabbits. Rabbits. Rain. Have you ever seen gray clouds in the sky? These clouds have lots of water that fall as rain. This water collects into rivers, oceans, and streams. Rain. Rain. Read. You must read the books that you like. If you cannot read, no problem. Just look at the pictures and form your own story. It is so much fun. An adult can also read to you. Which is your favorite book? Is it about giant animals, crawling insects, spooky ghosts, or is it about fairy tales? Read. Read. Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros is a gigantic animal. They munch on green, juicy grass. They love playing in muddy pools to keep themselves cool in hot weather. Because of their huge bodies, strong horns, and thick skin, they are very brave and are not scared of any dangerous animals like lions or alligators. Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. Look at these pictures. Can you identify which words begin with the sound R? Rabbit, coat, rice, cloud, robot. Does rabbit begin with the sound R? Yes, R, rabbit. What about coat? No. Rice? Yes, R, rice. What about cloud? Does cloud begin with the sound R? No. Robot? Yes, I like this robot. R, robot.
Like, share and subscribe.